What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a good evening. We will kick this thing off in about one more minute. Oh yeah, let's pull that fire. Inception is one of my personal favorites, so I picked up a couple different years. I actually opened up a 2016 for myself. Got a I don't even remember. Anyway, should be a fun little break. The Gold Rush 7th inning stretch. This is the last of it that I have, and I'm not gonna be picking up any more, just because it is it's definitely a fun break. It's just a different break. The Project 2020 kind of makes shipping interesting. But let's go ahead and kick this thing off. I guess we'll start it off 2013. Bowman, Inception. Starting it off, Bowman, First Impressions, Paul Konerko. Nice little patch auto. Mike Zunino. Going out to the Mariners. Not numbered. Oh, probably the last thing we wanted was a redemption, because I'm not sure how that's gonna work. Nice little patch auto. And like I said in the description, everything will go to whatever team Jonathan Singleton was on in 2013. So, I mean, it's already expired, but sometimes I know Panini will still give you some type of gift, even if it's expired. So that'll be something interesting to look into. Next up, Jesse Riddle. Inception's nice because they got the on-card autographs. Is he? Well, I guess that's where he's going. I don't know how Bowman and Topps work. Jorge Bonifacio to the Royals. I'd like to think that you can probably still get something. And last but not least, Brad Miller to the Mariners. I know with it being 2013, a lot of these guys are probably possibly out of the league. But if you're a fan of the team, it's always a nice addition to the PC. All right. Now on to 2015. This one is 4 autograph and 1 autograph relic. I'm not really into hiding the cards just because I don't like putting anything extra on the cards than needed. I mean, look at that, another redemption. Fun. Well, we'll go ahead and leave the redemption. Well, this could be good. Starting it off, Tim Anderson to the White Sox, on-card auto. Tim Anderson. That's a goodie. Next up, this guy, he's good at home runs. Christian Walker. Man, he had that whole spot to sign, and sign it in the little corner. Christian Walker. Jock Peterson, huh? Certified rookie autograph. Next up, Jeff Hoffman to the Blue Jays. And last, well, it's not last because we got a redemption coming up. Jesse Winker. That is blue, number 2/150. Oh, man. I see the name on the redemption, and that'd be pretty interesting. This and Tim Anderson were the 2 big names out of this box. Joey Gallo, autograph relic, green. I believe he is a Ranger now, but from 2015, whoever Gallo was, is who that will go to. And now, on to the Gold Rush. Like I said, it is a fun product. Definitely a good way to build your PC if you PC a team. Definitely a slab. Different looking pack in there. I don't know what that second one is. And our two Project 2020s. First Project 2020, Mike Trout. Second time we pulled that War Machine. Not a parallel. Still a cool artwork. Okay, well, that works out. Mariano Rivera, Yankees. Cool artwork. Yeah, like I said, I know with Panini, if it's expired, sometimes they will send you like a different reward. I have no idea how Topps is, or Bowman Topps. First up, we've got Topps Heritage 2019, Optic 2018, first time we got that, Heritage 2020, and Topps 2020 Update. Devin Travis, Laureano, and Martini. Devers, O'Hearn, and Valoria. DeGrom, Benintendi, Bomberger, Boxberger, Pierce, and Hedges. Gio Urshela, Anthony Rizzo, Bichette and K, Baez, then and now Joe Torre and Christian Yelich, Quantrill, Nationals, and Margot. 2020 update. Brett Anderson, Sean Murphy, Anthony Alford, Hunter Pence, Bryce Wilson, Alex Reyes, Descalso, Cabrera, Pedro Strop, Tsugo to the Rays, that turkey red chrome, Murphy, McGuire, Severino, Jose Martinez, Josh Harrison, and Jorge Lopez. Mm-hmm. 2018 Optic. Optic's always fun. Chris Sale, Orlando Arcia, Ian Happ, Chicago. It looks like it's a bronze parallel. And Anthony Rizzo. And last but not least, from our first Gold Rush, we've got the slab. I know by the feeling it's not a... Well, it could be a 1 of 1. The Leaf. I still can't believe that Ohtani. 1 of 1 Griffin Conine. 2018 Leaf Metal Draft. Pre-production proof. And on to box number 2. Feels like a slab. Some Topps Chrome, and I don't know what that third one is. And 2 Project 2020s. Oh, is he a Blue Jay? Bob Gibson to the St. Louis Cardinals. Next up, that thing's all tucked up in there. Willie Mays. That's a cool little design to the Giants. New York Giants. Yeah, the one box break that we did of this 2020 or Gold Rush, we had that Ohtani, and the label had Javier Baez on it. That was kind of funny. We got Topps 2019 update, Topps Chrome, Topps commemorative patch card. First time we got that in both cases, and 2020 Series 2. So let's see if we got a Lubob in here. That was just this stupid little thing. Garrett Hampson, Eddie Rosario, and Nathan Eovaldi Donaldson, Colin Moran, Rangel Rovelia, Caratini, Yamaguchi, Steven Duggar, Munez Zimmerman, DJ Stewart, Jorge Soler, Sandy Koufax, James McCain, and Tom Eshelman. We can save that one. We'll do 2019 update. Something. Kikuchi, rookie. Omar Navarez. Tyson Ross, Dallas Keuchel. Jared Walsh, rookie. Clayton Kershaw, Walker Buehler. We got a rainbow Yasiel Puig. All-time greats, Mel Ott. Kind of a cool, iconic card. Robinson Cano. Kyle Barraclough, Jonathan Shoup, Jorge Polanco, and Josh Bell. Let me sleeve up a couple of these inserts real quick. Topps commemorative patch. Congratulations, Frank Robinson. Going out to the Baltimore Orioles. Cool little patch. I'm curious when this is from. 2019. Next up, our Topps Chrome. Danny Jansen, Jorge Soler, Travis Demerite, rookie, and Dansby Swanson. And last but not least, the good old, let's hope it's an actual BGS 9.5, or I think we've had 2 10s now. I think they were both the same Colorado Rocky. It looks like it's a Leaf draft again. Jordan Adams. We've seen his name before. Jordan Adams. I think he goes out to the Angels. Clear Blue 1/1. Top picks number 7. Thank you guys for joining the break. We had that Frank Robinson patch, and Jesse Winker, and Jeff Hoffman, Christian Walker, Tim Anderson, Brad Miller, Jorge Bonifacio, Jesse Biddle, Mike Zunino, patch auto, and the 2 redemptions, Joey Gallo and Jonathan Singleton. I'll post the pictures here of all the hits shortly. Thank you guys for joining. Have a good evening and take it easy.